Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Volma. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're tuning to subscribe, you already know what to do. Comment on your thoughts, besties, period. So today we're back again with a video from my business, and in today's video we're gonna watch me work. Guys, I've been feeling so sick for the past few days. Like I can't breathe properly, and it's winter here in South Africa, so it's really crazy and I'm feeling it. But anyways, we're not gonna talk too much about me. In today's video, we're gonna watch me do this beautiful, I'm gonna put it on this side or this side, but beautiful set. And yeah, I did this video yesterday. Today is the 15th of July, and I did this nails on the 14th of July. So yeah guys, you guys showed me so much love in the previous video. That's why I keep making beautiful my business content, and hopefully you guys love this video, and let me know if you get these nails for yourself. And I hope you guys enjoy the process. Like the video, comment, share, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I mean, you're already loving it here. So here are the nails that we're going to be transforming today. And guys, I'm so sorry my voice is too deep. I'm in the middle of flu and all of that, fever. But yeah, this is the nail. I already prepped it, and you can see it's looking good. I filed it to the shape that my client wants. She wanted a really short almond gel set, and this was me applying the base coat on her nails. So I'm going to apply this base coat on every nail of hers, and this is how it's going to look. This is how it's looking after I apply the base coat. You can see it's shiny, and now we're ready to put it in the lamp. And this is the other hand, and I'm also going to be putting base coat on, and then after that I'm also going to put it inside the lamp so that it can cure. And this is how the other hand looked after I applied the base coat. And today we're going to be using this really light pink. I got this from a nail store, and I was really looking for this pink for some while, but I finally got it. It's giving nude, but it's really light pink, and I loved how I've been loving it, because this is like a third client that I've used it on, and it's so nice, and I love how it's coming out. Not too dramatic, just very nice and classy and demure, like bro. So I'm going to be applying it as the base color for all the tips. So this is just the first coat of the base, and normally I would use three to four coats. I don't use more than that because I feel like it's just being dramatic, and sometimes it gets too thick. So I feel like a lighter one, the gel already, after it cured, it's already in a good form. So I don't really like it too thick. But yeah, this is how it looks after I apply the first coat. And now I'm applying the second coat on top of the first hand that I already applied the first coat on. And I'm going to do that for 3 coats on each hand, and I'm going to cure it in between each stages. Yeah. So guys, this is how her nails were looking after I applied the 3 coats of gel on her nails, and everything is now looking in the way I want, and I can also feel that it's really good and proper stage. And yeah, after this I'm just gonna go into asking her what color or design does she want, because she was really indecisive of which design she wants, but she didn't want something too dramatic. She just wanted something that she could like feel classy and knit in. So yeah, so right now just listen to what she said after I asked her what color or design she wants.
And you ask her something simple. Yes.
No, she don't need drama.
But I
must use red.
Yes.
So as you guys heard, my client did not want something with too much drama. She just wanted something simple. And with me now, I'm just like trying to not do too much simple designs, but at the same time I'm also trying to make what they are comfortable with. And today we're going to be using this red from Mimikyu. You guys know that's my favorite store. and we're going to be using it to draw a few Frenches. I'm going to put Frenches on 4 fingers, and then the other finger I'm going to do a very nice design, which is one of my famous designs for now, and it's the flower design that we use the blooming gel with. But I'm going to show you guys during the course of the video, but for now you guys are going to watch me do a Frenchie. And yeah, you can see the mark that I made on top of the nail. It was supposed to be there, but I'm going to grab a brush, use acetone, and just clean it gently, and it's there, it's off. Voila. But yeah guys, I'm going to do that as I said on 4 fingers. I'm going to skip the ring finger, and then I'm going to do a flower design there with blooming gel. So yeah guys, I'll see you when I'm ready for the blooming gel. I meant I'll speak to you guys when I get to the blooming gel design. So guys, it's now time for our blooming gel design. We're going to be drawing a flower, and we're going to be using this blooming gel. I got it from Mimikyu, my favorite store. I think by now Mimikyu must just sponsor me, because wow. But yeah, I'm going to use it to draw a flower. Yo guys, I've been trying to get a hang of this flower recently, and it's been a war. You guys know how blooming gel designs be. You draw the art and then you tell the client, fast, go into the lamp. And yeah, I did that obviously in this video. But yeah guys, you guys can see I'm not sure I should be doing this after placing the gel, because it caused a lot of chaos, and I just made it work. But yeah, this is the other hand, and the other hand was a very tricky one. Like, I was not supposed to tap too much on top of the gel. I was just supposed to place the gel and let it settle and do the magic with the blooming gel. But no, I was too nosy and too forward, and I kept tapping 1 million times until you guys can see the design on this hand is not the same as the other design, because I only made 4 dots on the other hand, and this hand is like 1 million dots. But yeah guys, you guys can see I took the design off because I was like it doesn't match at all. And then I tried the second time again, and still it did not work. But you know what they say, keep trying until you get it. And yeah, I wiped that one off again, and and I did another one, and then this was the final one, because I finally got a hang of things. No too much tapping, just place and let the blooming gel do the work on its own. And I was like, fast, into the lamp. And yeah guys, this is my client's nails right now, and I'm about to put the last coat, which is top coats. A drum roll for top coat. And yeah guys, you guys can see my client's nails are looking good, and that is before top coat, and it looks so clean and good. And then yeah, I forgot, she asked me to put a pearl on the flower design, and it just completed the look. And we're using this top coat from the same place where I got the base color, the light pink. And yeah guys, I used that top coat on, and I think that was the final design that I did, and I think that completed the look. After this top coat, I put in a lamp, obviously, cure it, and my client nails turned out very beautiful. She was so happy and so excited. I'm going to show you guys the video now of how everything looked at the end. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching till this far. If you watched it this far, you're the real one. God bless you. Remember, I love you guys so much. Please await more nails content, because I've just started. But I hope you guys watch every single business video and my vlogs. Check out the vlogs. These are the nails. My client loved her nails so much, to the moon. And let me know if you would get this set for yourself. And thank you for watching this far. You all I love. Bye.